Welcome back to our marketing series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of marketing and exploring its fundamental concepts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this episode is perfect for you. So, let's jump right in. To start off, let's answer the question, what is marketing? Marketing is the process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs profitably. It involves understanding your target audience, creating compelling products or services, and effectively promoting them to generate sales. Now that we know the essence of marketing, let's discuss the 4 key elements known as the 4 P's of marketing. These are product, price, place, and promotion. The first P, product, refers to the goods or services you offer. It involves developing products that meet your customers' needs, ensuring they are of high quality, and differentiating them from competitors. Remember, a great product can be a powerful marketing tool in itself. Moving on to the second P, price. This aspect involves determining the value of your product or service and setting a price that aligns with market demand and your business objectives. Pricing strategies can vary, from cost-based pricing to value-based pricing and competitive pricing. The third P, place, refers to the distribution channels through which your product reaches the customers. This includes physical stores, online platforms, or a combination of both. Understanding your target market's preferences and behaviors can help you choose the right channels to reach them effectively. Lastly, we have promotion, which encompasses all the activities you undertake to communicate and promote your product. This includes advertising, public relations, sales promotions, and other marketing tactics. The key here is to select the most appropriate promotional channels and messages to connect with your target audience. Understanding and effectively utilizing the 4 P's of marketing forms the foundation for any successful marketing campaign. By carefully considering each element and their interplay, you can develop a comprehensive marketing strategy. That wraps up our introduction to the fundamentals of marketing. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore each of these concepts in more detail and discuss strategies and techniques to help you excel in your marketing efforts. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our marketing series. See you next time.